So you've added your first property or properties onto COHO. The next step will be to add the rooms into these properties. Again, it's a really simple process and I'll show you how to do it in this video. By logging into your COHO account, you'll be taken through to your main portfolio page. What you'll need to do is identify the property that you've added. In this case, it's 37 Bath Parade, and click on it. It then takes you through to that property's dedicated page. You'll see a bunch of information here, and I'll show you in the next video how to complete all of that. But for now, just scroll down to Rooms, and you'll see a very obvious blue Add Room button here. We will click that, and then just add the basic details. So we're going to call this room Fox 1. The rent's going to be £500 a month. We're not going to have a deposit, although you can choose various options. And we do always require a guarantor. You then have three options, whether or not the room is available soon, or occupied. If you're coming over to COHO from another piece of software or your own system, there's a good chance that a number of these rooms will already be occupied or soon to be vacant. So you can select the option that's most suitable for you. For this video, we're just going to select being available. We then have two options to either save or save and add another. Save and add another will just reload this form and allow you to add another property. But for today, we're just going to click save, and that adds our first property. So if we scroll down now to the rooms area, you see here Fox 1 has been added. In a future video, I'll show you how to make that room look a bit more pretty, add more specific details, and just pack out that description a bit more. But for now, that is the basics of adding a room to COHO.